How to fix Facebook Watch video icon missing. So the first step that you can do is to check for Facebook updates. Having an outdated version of the app sometimes causes bugs in the application. So go to your app store, type in Facebook, and update if this button says update. If it says open, then go open the Facebook application. In this homepage, click on the right bottom corner, which is the menu. Scroll down and tap in Settings and Privacy. Proceed to Settings. Click on the search icon on the top right corner and type in Shortcut. Type on the result that says Shortcut Bar. You will then be directed to this page, and in here you can control and customize your shortcut bar, which is displayed on your homepage. So if the watch video icon is missing, click on this auto beside the word watch and change its settings to pin. And if you check on your homepage, the video watch icon should be available now. So that is how to fix Facebook watch video icon missing. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.